and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. NCP declares its final list, gives May ticket to Rudresh Sodankar, Fabina Khote in Porvorim, Ashish Shirodkar in Mapsa. NCP claims seat sharing on winnability. Annoyed aspirants continue their revolt, resign from the party, file nomination as independent, some support opponents. Huge number of candidates filed their nomination on last day, figure reaches to 375, withdrawal on 16th Feb. Air Renard masterminds Zambia's flight to the top of African nation. Copper bullets slay fancied opponents to give hope to lesser-known footballing nations. And Rohan Ahuja tops men's, Nandini Saripalli tops women's ranking in state chess selection tournament. Top 10 men and women to battle it out in chess nationals. And now the news in detail. Tussle within the Congress over May seat is still on. Despite assurance from the Congress, Roy Ravi Naik filed nomination as an independent candidate from May against the alliance candidate. This has created further friction between the alliance partners. Final list of NCP candidates was declared early morning on Monday. Ashish Shirodkar from Mapsa, Rudresh Sodankar from May and Fabina Khote from Porvorim figured in the final list as NCP candidates.
म्हापसा परवरी आणि मय हे तीनूय सीट हायकमांडान क्लियर केले. पर्व खातीर आमची महिला अध्यक्षा फर्मिना खवटे हिजें नांव क्लियर जाला. म्हापसा आशिष शिरोडकर हाजें नांव क्लियर जाला आणि मया रुद्रेश चोडणकर हो आमचो कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो.
Ashish Shirodkar and Rudresh Chodankar collected their B form from NCP office in Panji on Monday. Bhosle informed that these candidates are chosen on the basis of winnability.
मयेचो सीट जो आमकां फावो जाला किंवा मेळ्ळा तो विनेबिलिटीच्या फॅक्टराचेर मेळ्ळो आसा आनी विनेबिलिटी ही प्रामुख्यान एक मेन जो क्रायटेरिया आशिल्ली त्या क्रायटेरियानुसार काँग्रेसीन आमकां एश्युरन्स दिलेले आसा की हे कितें काँग्रेसी अंतर्गत जे कितें समजा आडमेळे येतले ती तांची एक केअर घेतले आणि थंय काँग्रेसच्या तर्फे सेकंड कॅन्डिडेट आसचो ना.
Declaration of Maya's seat was delayed as there were many contenders for this seat. Pravin Zate, Roy Ravi Naik and Rudresh Chodankar were in the fray. Rudresh has termed this ticket as his destiny.
Zatian बंड करून तो इंडिपेंडंट उबो रावला. I am not new to that place and तू म्हणटा ते कोणे बंड करूं गेला आनी ते नशिबान कोणाचे आहा ते जातले. पण नशिबाचो खेळ आसा पळोवया कोणाच्या नशिबान कितें येता ते.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Revolts by annoyed aspirants continued on Monday. Home Minister's son Roy Naik resigned from Congress. Vijay Sardesai, Sanjay Bandekar and Mingalin D'Costa have also resigned from the Congress party. Prakash Shankar Vaid resigned from the BJP and will contest as an independent candidate in Kepe. Venkatesh Prabhumoni, an aspirant from Porvorim, has quit the NCP. With the declaration of NCP list on Tuesday, son of Home Minister Roy Naik resigned from Congress. He has filed his nomination from May as an independent candidate. Mingalin D'Costa has also resigned from Congress.
आमकां काँग्रेसीची टिकेटीचे आमी लढयल्ले. आमी मॅक्झिमम वोट घेतिल्ले ते म्हणल्यार 6,000 रुपया 6,000 वोट घेतिल्ले. पूण हे फाटी सांगेवण सीट काँग्रेसीन NCP जिखला अशें म्हजें मत.
Venkatesh Prabhumoni also seems not happy with the NCP list. He resigned from party on Tuesday.
कशा पद्धतीन आमच्यो राष्ट्रवादीच्यो ज्यो टिकेटी ज्यो आसा जो अलायन्स पार्टनर आमी काँग्रेसचे आसा तो कशा तरेन इम्पोर्टेड कॅन्डिडेट काँग्रेसच्यान इम्पोर्ट करून तांकां विकल्यो आनी राष्ट्रवादीच्या सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यांचेर एक मोठो घाल घाल्लो आसा.
One of the loyal congressmen from Fatorda, Vijay Sardesai, resigned from Congress. Many of the Fatorda block Congress leaders and workers followed him. Vijay has announced to contest as an independent.
सरकाराचे जॉब्स विकतात. हांवें 100 काय 150 कितें जॉब्स दिले फातोर्डा मतदारसंघात. म्हजे कडेन नांवां आहा. एक मनशा कडेन च्या पसून जर मागली कोणें प्रूफ दाखोवचें हांव इलेक्शनाक उबो रावना. थोडे ते जॉब हाडून तुमकां दिवपाक हांवें म्हजे भोवसांतल्यान मिनिस्टराक पयशे दिल्ले आहा. वाळपयचो जो लिडर आहा तो खंयच्या फॅमिलीचो, ताजो एजेंडा कितें आहा, ताजो एजेंडा फॅमिली राज. सो जे दिसा हांवें आवाज उठयलो ते दिसाच म्हणजे पॉलिटिकल मरण सुरू जालें.
Meanwhile, former Minister Sanjay Bandekar has resigned from Congress and has joined BJP with his supporters.
तर जी काँग्रेस दिल्ली सत्ता व राजीव गांधीली आणि सोनिया गांधी जी काँग्रेस हाडली ती आज गोंयांत उरला म्हणून. एक घरांतली 4 जाण, एक घरांत 3 जाण हें अशें जें चल्लां आनी जी दादागीर चल्ला, जें करप्शन चल्लां आनी जो बायलां म्हणटा कोणें तिकेट दिला हांवें राजीनामा दिला तेन्ना बायलांक तिकेट दिला.
Prakash Shankar Velip has resigned from BJP and will contest as an independent candidate from KP.
शेवटच्या क्षणाक हो आमचो युतीचो उमेदवार म्हणून म्हाका आमचे BJPच्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी मान्य केलो. ताका लागून हो एक असो निर्णय घेवचो पडलो की दुसरे कडेन खंय तरी वचचे पेक्षा की आमचे जे हे कार्यकर्ते दीस रात एक विश्वासान आमचे बरोबर रावल्ले, पक्षा बरोबर रावल्ले, पण उमेदवार हांगा BJPच नासल्या कारणान आमकां हो निर्णय घेवचो पडलो.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Monday was the last day of filing nomination. Total 375 candidates filed their nomination. 16 February is the last day of withdrawal. Final list will be cleared only after 16th. Farmina Khaute, Porvori NCP, Ashish Shirodkar, Mapsa NCP, Dilip Sodankar, Thivi GVP, Armin Briganza, Mapsa Independent, Rajesh Patnekar, Bicholi Congress, Rudresh Sodankar, Maye NCP, Khemlo Sawant, Sakri Independent, Dhaku Madkaikar, Priyol Congress, Save Fernandez, Shiroda Samajwadi Party, Vibhav Marathe, Ponda Samajwadi Party, Vijay Sardesai, Fatorda Independent, MK Sheikh, Fatorda Congress, John Fernandez, Banavali, Trinamool Congress, Savio Coutinho, Madgaon Trinamool Congress, Vishwajit Rane, Valpai Congress, Pratap Singh Rane, Pariye Congress, Francis Silveira, Santandre Congress, Vishnu Vag, Santandre BJP, Suresh Palkar, Santandre Independent, Roy Naik, Maye Independent, Raju Ayyar, Kurtori Independent, Rupesh Mahatme, Madgaon BJP, Alex Sequeira, Nuve Congress, Marcos D'Souza, Nuve Independent, Constantino Dias, Kurtori UGDP, Abdul Carroll, Madgaon Social Democratic Party, Annabel Pereira, Taligaon Goa Suraj Party, Dinesh Nair, Santa Cruz Independent, Dayanand Sopte, Mandre Congress, Rajendra Kerkar, Pedne Independent, Rajendra Kamli, Pedne Independent, Kanta Jadhav, Pedne Trinamool Congress, Sanjay Prabhudesai, Mandre Independent, Santosh Mandrekar, Mandre UGTP, Raj Virnodkar, Pedne Independent, Rajendra Asgaonkar, Pedne Independent, Sakharam Korgaonkar, Pedne Independent, Sham Amonkar, Pedne RPI, Ivo Coutinho, Madgaon Independent, Paresh Bende, Kutsade Independent, Prakash Shankar Velip, Kepe Independent, Govind Sawant, Sawadde Congress, Mingel de Costa, Sange GVP, Arun Raikar, Sange Independent, Prakash Arjun Velip, Kepe MGP, Sham Chatardekar, Kutsade Congress, Ashok Korgaonkar, Fatorda Samajwadi Party, Suresh Pilarnekar, Fatorda JDU, Jawahar Dias, Fatorda Goa Party, Dominic Fernandez, Panji Janata Dal, Ramakant Borkar, Kortali UGDP, Sankalp Amonkar, Murgaon Congress, Nasir Khan, Murgaon Independent, Gandhi Hendrik, Vasco Independent, Shantaram Paradkar, Murgaon Shiv Sena, Narayan Kandu, Murgaon Independent, Sunita Patil, Murgaon RPI, Karl Vaz, Vasco Independent, Mohammad Iqbal Sheikh, Vasco GVP, Adam Zumma, Vasco UGDP, Gautam Gaikwad, Vasco RPI, Prashant Vast, Vasco Independent, Stanley Almeida, Vasco Independent, Jagdish Durbatkar, Vasco Independent, Pramanand Nanoskar, Daboli MGP, Pratap Mardorkar, Daboli Trinamool Congress, Nafis Khan, Daboli Independent, and Simon D'Souza, Daboli Independent. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.